Today, we're making stir-fried noodles. First, slice the green peppers into thin strips. Make sure the strips are even for even cooking. Then, slice the sausage. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Next, smash some garlic cloves and chop them into pieces. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Once the water boils, add the noodles. Don't overcook the noodles. The noodles will be mostly cooked when the water boils again. Drain them in a colander and rinse with cold water. This keeps them smooth and chewy. Add oil to the pan. When the oil starts to smoke, add the eggs. Stir quickly to scramble the eggs. The higher the heat, the fluffier the eggs will be. Add the sausage and heat it through. Then remove it and set aside. Add a little oil to the pan. Add the green peppers and stir fry until they are tender, about 15 seconds. Then add the cooked noodles to the pan. Remove the pan from the heat and season it. Add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon. Stir fry quickly. Mix the noodles and seasonings well. Finally, add the eggs and sausage to the pan. Stir fry for a few more seconds. Combine everything, add the garlic at the end for a boost of flavor. Stir fry the noodles over high heat to keep them tender and chewy. Add your favorite vegetables. Get creative and try different combinations. Subscribe to my channel. There's always a delicious Chinese dish you'll love.